Okay, I lied. Not intentionally, but this next step is so important. I just want to make it in one video, so you understand that you can destroy your project. You can destroy the organization of the layers if you group things incorrectly. So what I want to do is I want to select all these letters on this layer. The easiest way to do that is to click on this meatball over here. See this little circle? It's called a meatball. I know. But you click on it, that selects everything on that layer and nothing else. Now I want to group that. Command G is the shortcut, and you need to learn Command G and Shift Command G under Object, Group. See how ungroup is grayed out? It's because nothing is grouped. So you group that, and then when you click away and click on any one object, hey, they're all together. See it? Okay, now click on the squares and click on the meatball. That selects all the squares. Then I'm going to hit Command G this time because I know the shortcut and I'm telling you, you need to learn it, and you won't learn it unless you practice it. G for group. And now if I click and touch that, they're all grouped. If I hit Shift Command G, what the heck? Shift Command G, that ungrouped them, so now when I click, they're not grouped anymore, but I want them grouped. So I'm going to click on the square and hit Command G. Now, if I want to select everything, both earth and squares, I can shift click on this other meatball. Don't group this. If you group this, it will merge these objects onto one single layer, and you don't want that, okay? But what we do want is, how about centering this? Hey, looks centered, doesn't it? Is it? Is this centered? Did I hit the pixels exactly? Now, whether you're in the line panel or up here in the control bar, you want Align to Artboard. Center, and now watch our object. Center, see it how it nudged? And then center. Now that is perfectly centered on this, on the artboard, the 2560 by 1440 artboard. Now, in the next video, we're going to take these over into Photoshop as smart objects, and I'm going to show you why that's so important to keep all these separate.